What is going on, Mr. Crazy 1870 with the unboxing of the all-new iPhone XR, aka budget phone, whatever you guys want to call it. Now, low-key, this video should have been up yesterday, but I did get caught up watching the Dodger game. Shout out to the Dodgers in Boston for putting up that 18-inning game. I mean, I think it was about 1:30 in the morning, and I was still up watching it. So as far as colors, now you do have a couple to choose from. You have red, coral, which is sort of like a pink, peach color. You have yellow, blue, black, and also a white. Now this comes in a 256 gigabyte, which will set you back about 900 bucks, 128 gigabyte, 800 bucks, and a baseline model, which is 750 bucks right out the door. All right, so as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with the standard usual paperwork. You have a quick start guide, which is going to give you a rundown on how to set up the phone. You have a SIM card tool, and you also got your Apple stickers. Next, we have the iPhone XR and all of its yellow glory, but we're going to go ahead and put that to the side and leave that for last. We also got the earpods with lightning connector. You got the USB charging cable, which you're going to use to charge and sync the device. And last but not least, you got the 5-watt USB power adapter. Coming back to the iPhone XR, now I really do like these round edges. Now if we look at the sides, they are aluminum with that glass back. Now the XR also rocks a 6.1-inch LCD display instead of OLED, as you can find on the XS. Looking at the rear camera department, you can see that the XR only has one camera, unlike the XS, it has dual cameras. The front-facing camera is still the same, although I did encounter photos to be a little bit wider, which honestly, I really do like. Another difference is that with this model, you're not gonna get 3D touch. Nonetheless, I love the round edges, I'm loving the design, and I'm also really loving the colors on the XR. So that was just an unboxing and first impressions of the all-new XR. Please leave me your comments in the comment section below with what do you guys wanna see in the full review. Don't forget to check out the two latest videos. Hit the sub button if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.